Yeah, wow. Back at J Customs. Late at night, we just finished epoxying up the bowl. Nice and heavy too. Nice and heavy. Got a little holiday right there, a little rust. We're gonna bury it, we're gonna hide it, but because it's beautiful. Because it's ready for color. I wish I could color it right now, but I can't. Really can't. Jams up. Wow, look at them lines. See the lines on the car, right? See the lines on the car.
When that sets the leaves to sway,
you see it.
Like some violins are playing.
We're gonna go over the bands coming up. Coming to a theater near you, ladies and gentlemen. You got the Benz, that's here, it's got scratches. Wow. The scratches on the Benz. It's the CL500. Up the sides. Let's see if we can grab the side. No, we can't. Can't grab it. Wow. Up the whole side of the truck. Right to the trunk. You see the scratches? Scratches all over the car, just like that. Oh yeah, by the way, we got a van. Guy says, why you getting so much money? Took the dashboard, wow. I hope we edit this. Can't see nothing. Alright, whatever.